Let's move on to the part 2. There is cue card. I'll give you a topic and you'll have 1 minute to prepare. You can take notes if you want. And your topic is describe a tourist attraction you enjoyed visiting.
Recently, I went to the Islamabad, and it is also a capital of Pakistan. And I visited a lot of historical or traditional places because of my friend recommended me that Islamabad is very famous for different places, just such as historical traditional. So after when in Islamabad, I visited the Faisal Mosque in at afternoon. I also offered the prayer at noon, and I never ever forget the scene that is a very fabulous and stunning and eye catching. That was a mountain behind the mosque. After that, we also ate the lunch, and my friends ordered a lot of junk foods. And after that, we ate the dessert. And my experience regarding to the food was also very good. I think it is a very famous. It's a very stunning place that I never ever forget in my life. So that's it.
Okay, this is the end of cue card. You spoke well, but you made a few grammatical errors as well as you have to work on fluency. You said peoples. You have to say people. So, and then you said desert. It's desert. And when you use the phrase one of, after this you always use plural subject or noun. One of the place, you said one of the place, you have to say one of the places.
Yes.
So one of the is always followed by plural. So you have to work on subject verb agreement as well. If you practice a bit more, you can get good balance.